Box cover, guess what time it is? Keora S. Killer a teal.
It is the 4x100 meter time.
You don't say.
Me bulla breadfoot, so it was our time for the 4x100 meter for men. The girl did don't take home the silver, but right about now, my mouth kinda did thirsty for the little gold medal. Anyways, so the athletes them start to come out of Fern Gully. USA. Them lay me, and what are them a try?
Next.
Japan. No. Me not understand them Asian people here. Them ever a make a relay final and not one of them can ever in a 100 meter final. Then it was our time for Team Jamaica. Watch the youth them no man. So see the lineup here. Powell to Blake to Ashmead to Bolt. My likes Asa for the dip on the start because we don't know say him take off faster than WhatsApp take for sure the little blue tick. Yo and Blake are done fighter so we know say him can maintain and then extend the little lead where Asafa would have give him. And then worse like when was cut off him fingernail, that means say about 20 pounds lighter, therefore faster. And then Ashmead no on the curve, my message to him is just no drop the button, no get no cramp, just maintain the lead like so somebody tell you to hold the line until them come back. And then Bolt, really? That don't really need an explanation right there so. As the only person who can beat Bolt is a mommer and pauper. So them in at the blocks, the gun go off.
Great Britain, Brazil.
But only go see Asafa push out like same and try to catch back him summer body.
Asafa power for Jamaica. Mike.
Run Asafa! No, as we go start for cheer, but I forgot draw breaks for the button exchange.
A good stick pass.
Whoo! Then we go see Blake take the button and rip up the back stretch.
Gatlin versus Blake down the back stretch.
Blaze it beast. In the name tag again, you know. Oh, really? Go through beauty.
No.
Why? Adam Mercy then Tyson Gay against Ashmead on the third leg. Same time it on Prince Pine. Oh Jesus.
Nickel Ashmead for Jamaica.
Go round Ashmead, make a boy take heed.
The U.S. and Jamaica right together.
Then box cover, Bolt, USA and Bruce Lee get the button same time.
And now the big.
Me say Bolt just take off. Me gongo. Away Jackie Chan a try.
Japan is right there.
Then all of a sudden me say you saying St. Leo Bolt unleash what is the epitome of the vernacular term.
But Usain Bolt puts him away and
Run Bolt! Go collect your goal at customs. Then as me say Bolt I head towards the finish line, it's a piece of grass that me say a blaze up the track.
right there. But Usain Bolt.
Like say me run from a piece of buses. Make 4 o'clock come and you don't reach home, okay? So in at the end, Jamaica win. Bolt get him 3rd gold medal. USA brother across the finish line and end up a dive off in at the track.
3 times 3.
Poor thing must think say I want ocean because the track blue.
I will cross the ocean for you.
Japan come in 2nd and USA get 3rd.
Never had been seeing this yet. I there here before my maiden take and I never see it yet.
Oh, I'm gonna tell you this. You see the brother around the final leg on the Japan relay team, him actually half Jamaican. And if you look on the picture here, when he did a run, him have the Jamaican flag on him shoes. You tell me them bareface badness there. So as expected, the relay squad start up with them antics.
Admit because
Go there, Blake! Asafa! Then to bread back. Plot twist! Right as the great United States of America start to celebrate them like a brands, them look up on the screen and realize that them get disqualified. Oh no man, bad to bad. Gatlin can't also. Never get gold, never get gold. A land where he'll never get gold. So congratulations to the 4 superstars that brought us the 4x1 win. Yam, Banana, Dumpling and Dasheen. Really and truly glad to Asafa, Ashmead and Blake get to leave these championships with a proper gold medal. You know, because they deserve it and they work hard. Along with Bailey Cole and the other men them where they part of the heats them. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Bear show. Make sure that you like it, share, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Tell a friend if you know somebody in the Caribbean who love them type of something there. Share the video with them. Beg them. Tell them. If you want to keep up with me on my social media, it is at Dirty Bear Show on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. If you want to email me or book me for anything, it is dirtybearshow@gmail.com. Alright, take care until next time.